White team.
Ay! Ellie, your coach Ellie. Ano mo lang sa
Ellis.
Sige. Number 9.
Number 9 is Sir.
Number 9, Gary, 6 pound. Dapat tayo na shot clock. May shot clock na.
Start na, start?
Hindi. Hey, Mapi, anong number mo? 13. 6 pounds. Start!
Ayan po, nagsimula ng laro. Hawak ng Mapi ang bola, pinasa kay Gary, 3 points agad. Wala. Rebound ni Brian.
Mas ganda yung bago.
JR number 3. JR 3. To JV for 3. 3 points. JV.
Grabe yan?
Mapi with a drive. Kick out to Gary. 3 points, babawi ba hindi? Rebound ni JV. JV, another 3 same spot. Some results for sir. Rebound. Rebound ni Marky to Brian. On top of the key, Brian and 3 ball. Nag-drive. Pinasa ulit si JV. JV, pass out to Marky for 3. Also play by Arvin. Wala pa yan.
Wala ba? Out of bounds?
Not count, not count.
Walang rebound. Ayun na.
Gary, another attempt. Wala tayo. Kaya, nagbababa ng bala. Pinasa kay JV. Sayang. Mapi with a drive. Ball swiped away by JR. Ball possession, white ref. White ball ref. Nilabas ang bola kay Chris sa gitna. Wala. Nakuha niya ulit.
Yan na, balik. Balik.
Mapi. Chris with a soft touch. Silvi with step roll.
Para, tatak mo yan.
Silvi. Nag-drive, nag-fake.
Ganda nun.
Nawala ang bola.
Wala. John, pali kayo, John.
Inbound ni JV. Pasok kay JR. JR, pasok kay Marky. Marky, pasok kay Brian. Brian sa gitna, loob. Pinasok kay JR. 2 points. Wala, nag-goal out. Chris, nag-over ng bola. Nag-drive, na-foul.
Foul. Sinong foul rep?
Foul left. Grabe na yun.
First team foul.
Mapi to Big J. Big J pinasakay. JR nulong pass. Nulong passing. Dito na halak. At hindi ba sa dyan? Marky to JV. JV canvassing the board. Nag-drive ng boss, pinasa ko Arvin to Marky. 2 points off the back, off the board. 2 points, Marky. Gary for 3. Onti na lang, sir. Go now, no good. Marky, pinasa kay Arvin. Arvin, nag-drive. Wala.
Si Kuya Mapi rebound.
Mapi. Mapi for 3.
Akin.
JR, nag-drive, inali sa depensa. Nariwan ni Mapi. Mapi, pinabang bola. Nalupas kay Gary. Gary for 2. to serve. JR to Mark E. Mark E. Step in. JV for 3. Less serving, bro. Mapi nag-drive, pinasa sa... Deo for 3. JR naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay Brian versus PJ. Battle of the Giants. Hindi tumitira ng dos.
Grabe, leading scorer na si Mark ha.
Deo, pump fake. Back to Mapi to BJ. Back to Deo, back to Mapi for 3. 3 points. Sir, Mapi. JR, clean up, clean. Marking for 2. Rebound by. Possession left. Blue ball, dark ball. JR. Looking to pass. Took the shot, 3 points, no good. Ball out of bounds. Ball possession, west ball. Maxi for 3. Wow! 17 points of the game.
Nice screen.
Sige na Brian. Si Brian.
Nasa akin.
Brian to JR to Mark E stepping. Arvin to Brian. No good. That is from Rebound back. Second time. That's all. Mapi nag-drive na naman. Pinasa na naman sa labas kay Deo. Deo for 3. Umuulan ng press, mga kaibigan.
Three points.
14 to 9. Time remaining 12 minutes and 60 seconds.
Sino nakabiba?
Deo loses the ball on the sideline. JV to JR for 3. No good. Rebound by Arvin bumangga. Bagong game yan.
Grabe intensity.
JV to Mark E. Another 3 attempt. No good. Boss Chris, nag-drive. Nagkasa.
Second team foul.
Mapi for 2.
Okay, score tayo.
Oh, good. Thanks for the golfer.
Mapi, leading scorer.
Mamaya. Pwesto pa to.
JV for 3. Welcome to the other side of the court. Maki nag-drive na naman. Ako, the scorer yan. Nabate. Sorry, sir.
Ay, babaw na ako. Okay.
They're gonna win. Are they two? Brian. Brian for 2. I can do this all day, sir. Mapi, nagka-drive na naman. Pinasa kay Chris. Chris, nabangga. Hindi na diba?
Paul ba? Paul? Wala.
Mapi for 3. No. Rebound by JV. JV. Running down the court. JV for 3. 4 points sana. Mapi to Gary. Gary. Drives on the baseline for 2. Easy 2 for Gary Boy. Margie. Walang tawag ko. Chris. Chris, all alone. 2 points. Easy 2 for Chris. Brian. 2 points? No good. JJ to Mapi. Mapi. Driving. Pinasa sa likod.
Hindi daw.
Okay. Pag-uto mo sa gitna, pre. Check lang. Hello. Naka-record.
Big J. Kay Gary sana yun. Intercepted by JV. JV. Dumiretso. Napapit pero pasok pa rin. Yun ang sabi niya. Deo, two. Pumalot. Nakuha ni. Ay, may foul daw. Mapi, rotation daw, rotation. To Big J. Big J for 2. Signature shot. No good that time. JR. JR on the drive. Sinasakay. Mark E for the easy 2. We are tied at 20. Right.
Basto, Brian ah. Dalawa rito, shooter. Ayun, kita. Labas ko, wala.
JV for 2. Gary, Mapi, Gary.
Bato! Darna!
Daya, walang red. Ayan, Gary for 2. Thank you, sabi ko. Usap daw, sabi ng mga hackers sa side. Mga nanigulo ng mga audience. Ayan na si JV. JV, pinasa ikaw, kailangan. Naksin ang bola. Gary!
Grabe!
Nandalamin ang dami. JV, setting. Ayun.
Nakonsensya kanina eh. Travel eh.
Ayan na si JR. JR sa gitna. Yun. Brian for 2. Easy 2.
Ganun lang.
Over the defense is Brian. Mapi. Mappy decided to pass the Gary.
Somebody have something like... Oh, almost. There's a witness there. There's a bird. Oh, God.
Warning na daw, warning.
Bro. You have to stick there, bro. The map.
Nice one!
Just stick the map.
There's Mappy to Jonah.
Somebody
Back
can
to
climb.
Mappy, back to Gary for three. Not yet.
You just help me up. Okay, here.
JD behind the back pass.
Okay.
Time remaining is 4 minutes and 24 seconds. We are lamang ng isang bucket. Rebound to JD. JD passes to JR. Right side. JR looking to pass. Arvin. Long pass to Mappy. Mappy against Arvin.
Last shot. Last warning na.
Last warning. Brian for Mappy. Napaw sa kitna. Ayaw tayo siguro.
Ayun yung mga trusper!
Defense!
Last shot!
Dari wingin ang screen.
Last shot!
Very poor! Oh, good shot!
Bray, ikaw na Bray.
Pusin mo na oras, last shot na.
Game clock.
Wala nag-screen eh, yung mukha ko.
Oy!
Brian Pumeco.
May triple team cut kayo! Wala pa, break safety na isa.
Vin. Arvin.
Marky. Marky to Arvin. Arvin ang masahan. Brian to JR. JR, mangingi si JD.
Foul.
Natulak ang depensa sa JR.
Last shot ako.
JD.
Nice one.
Gumamit na screen. 2 points. Wala. Nagawa.
Uy.
Ball is good. Tumira si JD.
Lapit.
Reset.
Pabalan. Pabalan ang iyong screen.
Uy! Player of the game na.
Ganda ng laro.
Game! Ay! Nahabol pala kayo? Akala ko na naman. Akala ko na.
JD, highest pointer.
Game!
Walang talaga yung team.
Let's to hear, GB.
Okay, last game na yun.
Interview nyo.
Oh, yung best player.
Best player. JB.
Wala ba yung interview dahil?
Si JB ba?
JB, interview mo si JB. JB.
JB, highest pointer.
JD pabalan.
Interview mo. Alam ko na itatanong mo dyan.
JB! Saan ka nagpakulot? sponsored.
Picture ka dyan.
Dito ka. Takpam yan. 1, 2.
Yan, dito, interview. Uy, saan ka na nagpakulot?